Hey YouTube, I'm back. Let's unbox some sneakers. Does that sound like a plan? I think maybe it does. All right, let's see here. Got the box. This just arrived earlier today. Just now had an opportunity to get out here and see what's going on. Cut this open. Get rid of the knife so I don't go and cut myself. That would be bad. All right, so here we go. All right, I'll get you later. All right, we got a couple stickers. What's this? Says Supreme, and it says why hate, sort of. It says why hate, and I think that their latest drop of clothing has guns all over it. That seems a little contrarian to me, but whatever. I'm not the artist. And a shop sticker. Shop stickers are good. I'll put that with my little collection of shenanigans. We'll put that over here. And this is nothing new. We're not going to get into a whole bunch of stuff. This is going to be a short video because everybody's seen these before. You go over there. You go here. Black box. Gloss black. Nike with the swoosh. Oh look, branded box. That's nice. Again, anybody who's watching this has already seen these. Let's open it up. Before I open it up, so yeah, I'm an old ass man and just like sneakers, always have. I don't think that I'm a sneakerhead by any means. But this legit, I got Dunks, I got Jordans, I got whatever. I got a bunch of nonsense and shenanigans that I waste money on. But legitimately, first time I've ever had Air Force Ones. Never cared for them so much. Here you go. White on white on white. Well, I guess red on white, because the little rectangle box. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. But legitimately never had Air Force Ones. I am not a huge fan of the overall silhouette. I think that it looks too big. I think it looks bulky. I kind of decided to get it just because I saw a link to a Supreme drop, clicked on it, and I saw that they had these, and just the idea of having a fairly easy to cop shoe that I knew was legitimate, knew it wasn't going to be a fake. I wasn't going to fuck about with StockX and get something that wasn't authentic, or eBay or Go, whatever. But buying it straight from the source, I felt fairly comfortable, and I figured it was about time for me to get a pair of Air Forces. So yeah, here we go. Kind of nice that they put the little cardboard shoe tree in here. That's all right. Label on the inside here. Let me hold this up out of the way. Says Supreme. I got it in true to size. I wear a 9.5 and everything else. What else do we have here? What's on this thing? We got the little badge down here, the little lace protector, I don't know what they call it. Dave Blue Tile would know what that thing's called. Debray, maybe? I don't, yeah, it doesn't matter. So you got branding there. You got branding on the heel. You got the Supreme Air Force One metal tag. What a lot of people don't talk about is the what looks like Supreme branding on the tongue tag. There's a white on white Supreme logo on the toe tag. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, let's see what else do we got here. Hey, it's another shoe, just the opposite of the other one. Same stuff. But these are still the 07 silhouette. The 01's just dropped a few days ago, a few weeks ago. I don't know, what a while ago. It's all fine. But yeah, after years and years and years of wearing sneakers, I figured I would finally get an Air Force One. And I thought that this would be a decent one to get. What else we got in here? Only other thing, I'm sure all you people know is laces. The Supreme branded white on red laces. I don't know that I'm going to try these. What I would prefer is if I'm going to make it more Supreme branded, which I'm fine with, I would prefer to have the white laces with the red script, or I would even be cool with the white laces with the black script. We'll have to see how that all goes. I don't know. I'll probably just leave them white for now. Who knows? It'll be a thing. You guys don't care anyway. Yeah, there we are. Unboxed. First Air Force Ones. I waited till 2026 to do it. And actually that might be, I might have had a Supreme ball cap at one point. Don't have it anymore. Whatever. But this might be the first Supreme thing that I ever bought. Also. Yeah, so there you go. Air Force Ones. I didn't show you the box, or the label, did I? Here you go. Here's that. Where is it? Okay, you can focus. There we go. Air Force One low. White on white. Yep. The label's correct. Okay. That's all I got. That's more than enough there's other people that did better jobs of this than me. So, like, comment, subscribe, do what you like. If you want to get a cool shirt that says normal on it, check out Speed. Speed. James Pumphrey does lifestyle car stuff. Used to be with Donut Media. He's been doing his own thing for like a year. Does really good content. Always has. I'm not affiliated with him at all. I just try to support YouTubers that I enjoy. If I like watching you, I might buy your shit. So if you have a YouTube channel and have shit, just put a link down in somewhere or let me know. I'll check it out and who knows, might buy your shit. Whatever. All right, peace.